We found that community gardens are linked to so many of the SDGs when you're talking about food and climate action, obviously, but also things like wellness, health, goals around partnership and working together. Participation was one that came up a lot as well, about inclusion and bringing people into spaces, no matter of gender, age or sex, or level of ability or any of those things, that the garden can be a space, an inclusive participatory space for that, where you can connect with other people but also connect with the land and connect with nature. I think that the community gardens are such an invaluable space, and that, I mean, community is right there at the beginning of them. It's so important to belong somewhere, and you know, the GLAS community garden, as much as anywhere, is so welcoming and so open to everybody, and I think everybody should come along and have a try.
We've seen that green spaces and blue spaces are enormously beneficial for people's mental and physical health. So that's something that happens at a micro level within communities and individuals within communities. And another participant was talking about how social prescribing is really important for people's health at the moment, you know, in addressing the loneliness epidemic and bringing cohesion to communities. So at a micro level, they are vital, but I think that same philosophy ripples throughout nations, internationally too, even, you know, if you have that taking a holistic approach to anything, to human health, to community well-being, to social cohesion, to environmental well-being and recovery and regeneration, you know, all of the notions of regenerative practice and regenerative culture happen within community gardens, and they can be considered to be perfect micro examples of regenerative culture in action, I think.